Did you know the largest earthquake recorded? It was a whopping 9.5 magnitude. That's the 1960 Valdivia earthquake in Chile. The ground shook for 10 minutes. It was so powerful it caused widespread destruction. The earthquake was felt as far away as Hawaii. The 1960 Valdivia earthquake was a megathrust earthquake. It occurred when one tectonic plate moved under another. This movement released a huge amount of energy. The earthquake was so strong it changed the Earth's rotation. It also caused tsunamis that affected several countries. The 1960 Valdivia earthquake was a major disaster. It killed thousands of people and left many homeless. It was a day that will be remembered for a long time.